Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials right. Use a piano or keyboard and open the Red Book score for Nilanjana Dhar. Look at the key signature and time signature so your fingers know where to land. Once done, set a metronome to 60-72 BPM and warm up with the major scale of the song's key to loosen fingers. This reduces tension and increases accuracy. Now try the first 4 bars slowly, focusing on hand placement and consistent pulse rather than speed. You progress by isolating the middle section into 2 to 4 bar pockets, which helps you digest complex harmony and motion. First, practice the left-hand pattern alone, whether arpeggio, Alberti bass, or block chords, so the accompaniment stays steady. Then work the right-hand melody separately, watching phrasing and fingerings. This trains muscle memory. Once each hand is confident, combine them at about 70% tempo so coordination forms without overloading cognitive. You finish by linking sections and polishing expression. Practice each transition slowly, then bring them up to performance tempo so the whole piece flows. Make musical choices, dynamics, articulation, slight rubato where appropriate, so the song breathes and the melody sings. When polishing, focus on evenness and timing, using the metronome to check consistency. If things go wrong, slow the problem area to 50%, isolate the bar, and repeat 4-beat phrases until the error disappears. This targeted drilling fixes stubborn glitches fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.